Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have s squared and 2s dx over dy. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dv over dy equal to 2s ds over dy. So this one we change by v. This one we change by this one. Negative v I will put in here. So we have v, and first derivative of v, that is about linear differential equations. So I will put about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that we have positive number 1 next to v, that is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of y. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to put integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have ve to the power of y. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to y squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2y dy dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equal to e to the power of y. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. Now we can use about integration by parts again. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of y dy. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of y. And now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one, about v, that is about s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.